In this video, I am going to show you how to add the payments method on a TikTok account. So, of course, first you will have to go and open your TikTok. And once it's opened, of course, you will need to go to your profile. So let me just wait here a little bit until it's opened. So then, once it's opened, I'll just go and pause this, click on profile. So once you go to your profile, of course, you'll have to go then to the three dots. Once you click, as example, the three dots, or not three dots, like three lines at the top right corner. Once you click on it here, you'll find a lot of stuff. For me, I can just go here and click on balance. Once I do so, I'll be taken here to this. So let's say, example, I want to buy some coins. So I'm just going to click on get coins. And here I'll find a lot of options to get coins. So let's say I want this 5 coins. So I can just go here and click on recharge. Once I click on recharge, as you can see, recharging isn't available. So for me, as you can see, I'll find we have detected unusual transaction in your account and recharging is currently unavailable. For security reason, click for help and contact us. For you, of course, for me, it seems like I have a problem, but for you, once you click on recharge, you'll be able to find here. Of course, for you, once you click on recharge, as we said, you'll find the option for you, and then you can simply just go and like choose if you want to add a card, if you want to add like something like that. I don't know. There's like the card option. Where you'll be able to add your card and you'll be able to pay with it, and that's how you basically add your payments. Of course, if you're on a sponsor, you hit on a sponsor like video and you're trying to buy from that, you'll be taken to do the same steps. You'll have to simply click on buy. Example, you'll be taken to choose the TikTok credits or balance if you have any. If you don't, you'll be able to click on add the payments method and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.